Hi friend, this is Manoj, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtuli, Lohar. Today in this video we will discuss about the lesson the gold frame, which is prescribed in the syllabus of BA 5th semester, and the lesson the story the gold frame is written by the famous writer, the Indian writer R.K. Lakshman. Okay, the Indian writer R.K. Lakshman is the legendary cartoonist Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Lakshman. The full name of the writer R.K. Lakshman is that Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Lakshman, and he is a legendary cartoonist. He is a very famous cartoonist. Cartoonist means who make cartoons. You know very well what is cartoons. Okay, he was born in 1924 and he has started his career with magazines like Swarajya and Blitz. He started his career with the starting of magazine. त्यांनी काय जे स्वराज्य जे ब्लीज जे मॅगझिन्स आहेत जे मासिक आहेत त्या मासिकामध्ये लिहिण्यापासून त्यानं काय त्यांच्या रायटिंग करिअरला सुरुवात केली. ते कार्टूनिस्ट जे फेमस होते त्यांनी विविध कार्टून तयार करून त्यांच्या रायटिंगला सुरुवात केलेली. हिज एल्डर ब्रदर इज अ व्हेरी फेमस रायटर R.K. Narayana, was a famous Indian English novelist, and Lakshman, his brother R.K. Narayan. Okay, R.K. Narayan was a very famous Indian English novelist. He's a novelist, and the writer R.K. Lakshman illustrated R.K. Narayana's stories in the Hindu. The writer Lakshman, R.K. Lakshman, has illustrated the stories of R.K. Narayana in the very famous newspaper, The Hindu. He started off as a political cartoonist. At the beginning of his career, he made his career in the political cartoonist. At the starting of his career, he makes the cartoons of political leaders for the Free Press Journal, and in which journal, Free Press Journal, he made cartoons before joining the Times of India, with which he has been associated for over 50 years. What said? He joined Free Press Journal before the Times of India, and with the Times of India, the newspaper, the Times of India, he has been associated for over 50 years. He worked with the Times of India for 50 years, over 50 years, 50 पेक्षा जास्त वर्षांकरिता द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया सोबत त्यांनी काम केलेलं आहे. हिज कार्टून स्ट्रिप You Said It, which features his best known creation, The Common Man, has attained cult status. What is said? His कार्टून स्ट्रीप, जे कार्टून स्ट्रीप त्यानं तयार केलेलं आहे, एक प्रकारचं सिरीज, कार्टून सिरीज You Said It, which features his best known creation, The Common Man. And in that cartoon strip, in the cartoon series, he record or cartoon the common man. He picturized the common man with the help of cartoons, and with that creation he attained the very cult status. Okay. The famous writer R.K. Lakshman is also a writer of repute with short story. He has career with short stories, also travelogues and novels to his credit. Novels he has written. He has received a number of awards for his work, and ही गॉट अ नंबर ऑफ अवॉर्ड्स, खूप सारे अवॉर्ड सुद्धा त्यांनी जिंकलेले आहेत फॉर हिज वर्क. कोणत्या वर्कसाठी? द बी डी गोएंका अवॉर्ड बाय द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. आणि कोणता अवॉर्ड जिंकलेला आहे? बी डी गोएंका अवॉर्ड बाय द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. इंडियन एक्सप्रेस कडून बी डी गोएंका नावाचं अवॉर्ड त्यांनी जिंकलेलं आहे. द रॅमन मॅगसेसे अवॉर्ड फॉर जर्नलिझम अँड ही गॉट रॅमन मॅगसेसे द व्हेरी famous or prestigious award, Raman Magsaysay Award for journalism, literature and creative communication art. This award, the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan, these various awards he has got. Okay, the story, the present story, which story? The gold frame. The story, like most other works by Lakshman, deals with the past, prestige and society with simplicity and humor. The story like the gold frame, it is abound with the humor and it is very simplicity. The story deals with the prestige and the society. While living in the society, every human being try to get prestige, and the story is with simplicity and humor. The gold frame, the title of the story, the gold frame, the ultimately serve as a symbol, and the gold frame, the title is serve as a symbol for the framework of society and modernization. In this story, the title of the story, the gold frame. A gold frame means the photo frame, and the photo frame, the gold frame is symbolized फॉर द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ सोसायटी. जे सोसायटीमध्ये विविध क्लासेस असतात त्या क्लासेसला सिम्बॉलाइज करण्याचं काम या स्टोरीच्या माध्यमातून रायटर आर के लक्ष्मणने केलेलं आहे. द मॉडर्नायझेशन इन द आधुनिक युग, ह्या आधुनिक काळामध्ये जे सोसायटी आहे, जे समाज आहे, त्या समाजामध्ये विविध जे वर्ग असतात त्या वर्गांना प्रेझेंट करण्याचं काम ह्या स्टोरीच्या माध्यमातून द रियालिटी ऑफ द सोसायटी ही हॅज डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द स्टोरी थ्रू द टायटल ऑफ द लेसन. ओके, अँड इट इज अ व्हेरी फेमस स्टोरी. जस्ट वी सी what is the beginning of the story. The modern framework was actually an extra large wooden packing case mounted on oblique legs tucked in a gap between the drugstore and a radio repair shop. Its owner Datta, with his concave figure, silver rimmed glasses and a complexion of seasoned timber, fitted into his shop with the harmony of picture. At the beginning of the story, the writer R.K. Lakshman says that the modern framework is actually an extra large wooden packing case. जे दुकान असतं मॉडर्न फ्रेमवर्क, इट इज ॲक्च्युअली अबाउट विथ द व्हेरियस वुडन पॅकिंग केसेस, वुडन पॅकिंग फ्रेम्स, अँड द shop, the modern framework shop was actually tucked into a gap between, situated in the gap between the drugstore. The drugstore means the medical store, and the radio repair shop. Means the modern framework is the name of that shop, and the owner of that shop is Datta, the central character of the story, and the shop of that owner, the modern framework, was tucked in the gap. Tucked means in the between. The shop is in the between of a drugstore, means तो जो दुकान असतं मॉडर्न फ्रेमवर्क, इट इज ॲक्च्युअली in between a drugstore and a radio repair shop. एका बाजूला ड्रग स्टोर मीन्स द मेडिकल स्टोर असतो and on other side there is a radio repair shop, and between that two store there is a shop, the modern framework owned by Datta. Its owner Datta, with its concave figure and his figure is personality of दत्ताची पर्सनॅलिटी सांग. इट्स अ कॉन्क्यू फिगर, एक प्रकारचं वेगळं सिल्वर रिम ग्लासेस त्याच्या डोळ्यावर, सिल्वर रंगाचं सिल्वर रिम ग्लास तो घातलेला असतं. इट इज अ कॉन्क्यू फिगर अँड कॉम्प्लेक्शन ऑफ सीजन टिम्बर फिटेड इन टू हिज शॉप. अँड त्याच्या आजूबाजूला सगळं काय असतं, सामान पडलेलं असतं विथ द हार्मनी ऑफ पिक्चर. ओके, हे असं ॲट द बिगिनिंग of the story. The rest of the story, the continuation of the story, rest of the story we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.